everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to our channel The Ultimates. And मुझे देख के आप लोग को पता होगा कि आज का कंटेंट क्या है. Yes, I know you have guessed it right. We are excited for the Durga Puja. कितना ही दिन बाकी है? Just few days are left and we are so excited. So we Ultimates present to you the 6 days day and night look for the Durga Puja. So we'll present you the styling, the outfits that we are doing. I hope you guys like it. And before that, don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, then you should do it right now. Go subscribe it and like it before we start the video.
So yeah guys, I'm all set with the look. I'm going all Indian. I'm wearing this kurti paired with a white palazzo and I've added this earring जो पूरे look के साथ जा रहा है. साथ में I've added a watch and makeup भी I've kept very normal, like not that glamorous. By the way, this is the day look. तो evening look के लिए twist ये है that I'll be styling इसी को ही थोड़े different way में. So you will see this second look में.
To present you the
Saptami. Saptami is a very special day in Durga Puja.
We love to roam around and do pandal hoppings.
It is a day, it has all the hype in the world for Saptami, and it's personally one of my favorite days because I like to go out and hang out with my friends.
So I've paired my pleated skirt with a simple t-shirt and I will be carrying my fanny pack, and definitely because I'm going to roam around, so I'll be wearing my sneakers.
I'm gonna create two looks. It's all originated from one single look and I'm gonna style it in two different ways.
And before that, don't forget your mask when you go out, and it's a daytime, so flaunt your sunglasses. So let's go. चलो, we are sorted for the day look, but what about the evening look? ये तो बहुत special होता है ना. We go for pandal hoppings and everything, so evening में ही we go and see lights and everything in pandals. So yes, here I am to present you the evening look, which like I've only worn the same outfit but I've stylized it in a different way.
For the night look, I am basically gonna go very punk rock and edgy, and I made something very special for it. I made this little bottle holder sort of a thing with chains. So what it does is basically it holds my sanitization spray, because as we know Durga Puja is where it's quite risky. So if at all I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna use this on whatever surface, and I'm gonna also carry my fanny pack, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to add so many things in it, so I'm gonna be using this.
So what I've done, let's go and watch.
with the Maha-Ashtami look for this Durga Puja for both morning and night.
Basically, for Ashtami day look, we Bengalis always prefer ethnic wear like kurta, pajama, dhotis, and all. So yes, I am wearing a yellow kurta pairing with a red printed dhoti.
I might add and subtract few elements. I might keep one element constant. मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. So let's see.
For the night look, I am not changing my kurta, but I am changing my dhoti and wearing a black denim trouser. So it will give a very Indo-Western vibe. Yes. And one more thing that I am taking, that is fanny bag, because I love fanny bag and छोटा मोटा चीज तो आ ही जाता है इसमें, like sanitizer and all I can carry. So yes, I am using this with my kurta. So yes, let's see कैसा लगता है. Let's go.
Looks is for the 9th day of Durga Puja. So basically Durga Puja is an emotion for all the people who resides in Kolkata, be it Bengali, non-Bengali, everyone. And I will stylize this look with a twist, and the twist will be I will compile my Gujarati look, which is the Navratri's look. As you guys already know, Durga Puja and Navratri are celebrated together. Like in Kolkata, it's Durga Puja, and Gujarat, it's Navratri. And I am a Guju, so I would love to like mix my culture with Bengali culture. So yeah, I will mix Gujarati dress, and I will show you how we dressed up for like Gujarati's Navratri thing, and I will use the same dress to like a morning look or a day look where I can wear that same skirt and go for pandal hopping. So wait for it and I'll show you how it's done. Hey, hello!
Guys, hello, it's me again, Reshma, and as you have already noticed, I'm wearing this typical Bengali outfit, which in Bengali we call it as Atpoure Shari. Yes, this is the Dashami daytime look, and as this is the last day, in Bengalis we perform a very special tradition which we call it as Ma Boron and Shidur Khela. So these are the very special traditions among us Bengalis. And as this day is a bit sad day because this is the last day of our Durga Puja, but we love to cherish each and every moment on this day. So yes, I present to you the day look of the Dashami day.
Durga Puja is one of the best festivals all around the world. You need to come to Kolkata and enjoy the beauty and the art of it. I love Durga Puja because of the artisans and because of the beautiful thakurs and pandals that are made by Calcutta or Kolkata artists. And honestly, Madame Tussauds can go shit on the corner because Kolkata rocks.